Sunset Ridge is ideally located in the heart of Litchfield County, Connecticut, with wide-open spaces and long-range mesmerizing views. It's convenient to shopping, recreation, and entertainment, and is commutable to major metropolitan areas. The home offers just under 4,000 square feet of spacious, light-filled living. The chef's kitchen opens to a dining and gathering area, ideal for family and friends. There is also a formal dining room. The light-filled master bedroom is also located on the first floor. There are 2 to 3 additional bedrooms on the second floor. The theater and game room are located on the lower level, along with an in-law or guest suite. The open and light-filled grounds lend themselves to a variety of outdoor activities. Sunset Ridge in Litchfield County, Connecticut.